Police Talk, Thinking and Speaking Skills for Officers. I'm Jean Reynolds, co-author of the book Police Talk. Your thinking and speaking skills are powerful law enforcement tools. Often a quick-thinking cop can seize control before a situation gets out of hand. Problem-solving skills can prevent injuries. Sometimes they even save lives. The key is to know what words can and cannot do, and to practice your police talk skills until they become second nature. So what is police talk all about? It's a set of practical verbal skills, a respect for the power of words, an understanding of what words can and can't do. Let's get started. Principle number 1. The only person whose thoughts and actions you can control is you. It doesn't matter whether you're heavily armed, a master of the martial arts, or 10 times as big and strong as everyone else. If you set up a power contest with an offender, there's always a chance that you might lose. It's true that threats, punishment, and force will intimidate some people. But sometimes those things have no effect at all. Think about a person who's so high on drugs that she doesn't know what's going on, or whose drug habit makes her insensitive to pain. A person who's too drunk to follow what you're saying. Someone who's showing off for his gang. A mental patient who has no idea who you are and what you want him to do. Principle number 2 is a logical follow-up to principle number 1. Set goals for yourself, not the other person. You can't force an offender to agree with you, respect your authority, obey the law, comply with your commands. Here's what you can do. Follow procedures and policies. Issue a citation. Make an arrest. Take a suspect into custody. Smart cops can spot win-lose contests in the making and avoid getting entangled in them. Thinking and speaking skills are the key. Principle number 3. Don't react, act. Many offenders get a big kick out of baiting and manipulating cops. You don't have to get caught up in the games they're setting up for you. Repetition is useful when someone is trying to bait or manipulate you. Make a statement about the situation and repeat it as often as you have to. You'll have your day in court. I'm not going to argue with you. I'm writing a citation. Principle number 4. Don't defend your observations, judgment, or decisions. There are a number of strategies you can use here. We've already mentioned repetition. Others are silence or changing the subject. Here are some examples. You can say, here's the traffic citation. A backup is on the way. We're trying to protect the children in this neighborhood. Principle number 5. Set a goal as soon as you've sized up a situation and stick to it. If a law has been broken, write a citation or make an arrest. If an offender is dangerous, take necessary steps to ensure everyone's safety. Use whatever force is necessary to control the situation, but don't set up a power contest with an offender. Avoid retaliation even if an offender gets under your skin. Retaliation can trigger a court case. Here are the kinds of statements to avoid. If you keep arguing with me, you're going to jail. I'll teach you to mouth off at me. Who the hell do you think you are talking to a cop that way? Take that smirk off your face or I'll take you down. When you've achieved your goal, making an arrest, handcuffing the suspect, getting a victim to safety, refuse to enter into a debate. Principle number 6. Make your professional status the focal point. You don't have to prove that you have the right to protect the public's safety. Refuse to be drawn into a debate about your judgment or actions. Your badge is authority enough. Here's an example. Irate husband. You're one of those cops who hate men. That's why you're pushing me around. Officer. When the EMTs finish treating your wife, I'm transporting you to jail. Remember that it takes two to have an argument. You don't need anyone's approval or permission to do your job. Let's review the points in today's video. Your thinking and speaking skills are powerful law enforcement tools. Often a quick-thinking cop can seize control before a situation gets out of hand. Problem-solving skills can prevent injuries. Sometimes they even save lives. Here are 6 useful principles. The only person whose thoughts and actions you can control is you. Set goals for yourself, not the other person. Don't react, act. Don't defend your observations, judgment, or decisions. Set a goal as soon as you've sized up a situation and stick to it. Make your professional status the focal point. You can learn additional police communication skills by purchasing Police Talk, available for purchase at Amazon.com. And be sure to visit yourpoliceright.com for free help with report writing. Thanks for watching today.